Mitch here from Rolly's Speed Shop. Today we're sort of going through something that we've recently got in, and it's a heap of carbon fibre. So we've had a heap of questions coming about carbon fibre. What's the real weight difference? So today I've pulled two fenders from stock, one carbon fibre, one sheet metal, and I'm going to quickly throw them on a scale that we have here and give you guys a rough indication what you're looking at weight savings wise between a carbon fibre fender and something that's sheet metal. Carbon fibre is the latest craze to hit the big twin scene. As new bikes keep getting more and more powerful, riders are starting to chase parts that look as fast as they feel. And that's exactly where carbon fibre panels, parts and accessories are really starting to take off. And the big brands such as Arlen Ness, Saddlemen Seats, Performance Machine and Slyfox are leading the charge, rolling out full carbon fibre ranges built for modern performance aesthetics. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. By switching to a carbon fibre fender over a sheet metal one, you're literally shaving off 2/3 of the weight. The sheet metal one that we pulled from stock was 3 kilos, the carbon fibre one was 1. So Rolly's Speed Shop now has a huge range of carbon fibre fenders, side covers, dash panels, even air cleaners. So if you want to check out the full range of carbon fibre products, head to rollyspeedshop.com today.